So we just entered the French-speaking area of Switzerland.
Yes.
Which is, for me, a little bit easier because my French is better than my German.
For me, it's also easy because I don't have to do anything. You can do everything.
Everything.
You handle the French.
I'll handle the French. Ooh, look up there, it's nice. And this whole route, because we are driving from Interlaken, where we stayed the last 5 days, all the way to Montreux. And I just have to say, this is such a spectacular route.
It's really panoramic and it's really calm, and you can't drive that fast actually.
I actually think that from Lucerne on, everything was so beautiful. Wherever you looked, it is what you expect of Switzerland. It is not just one area or one corner, it is everywhere. And the wooden houses that are here everywhere, they are so... It just gives you that Switzerland feeling. With the little flowers and the wooden houses.
Oh yeah, it's French.
Yeah.
Fromage.
Fromage.
I know that word.
Je n'aime pas le fromage. Anyway, there was cheese. I don't like cheese. So yeah, so we are on our way to Montreux. We'll take you along with this like we always do. What else is new? Nothing new. Nala's still here. Hi, Nala.
Yeah, we're actually officially in a little village outside of Montreux.
Yeah, just in a little, small little Airbnb. And we'll show you that as well.
How do you pronounce it?
I don't know. I have to see the word.
There.
Oh, Leysin, I think. I have to switch gears. Anyway, so that's it for now. Enjoy the route and enjoy the footage of the area around Montreux. Look at our little apartment with full kitchen, and it's all made of wood, which I love. It gives you that Swiss feeling as well. Super nice bathroom. Look at that. Pretty good. And then we have our little room with Nala. Hi Nala. Do you like it here? And as you can see, we brought our own pillows. And then we have a nice balcony as well, with a little seat. And look at that view. That will be our view for the next 3 mornings actually, because we have 3 nights here. Awesome. So yeah, another ski lift, and now we're going to Berneuse, which is a mountain all the way on to the top.
It's about 2 kilometers.
Yeah, it's Leysin, and then we'll have a 2-hour walk back. I think it might be.
It's like a huge tube on the hill.
I don't know.
Show it.
Show it. I'm doing something very scary tonight because I'm eating at La Fromagerie. And that means the cheesery, so it will be completely cheese on the menu. No, they will have some stuff that I would like as well because I don't like cheese. But Tim really wanted to eat here. Hopefully he can get some cheese fondue, but most of the time it's 2-person only. But we'll see what's on the menu. So our dinner here at the Fromagerie, it starts with a little glass, complimentary glass of sangria, which is my favorite summer drink.
All of the things that are on the table now are for free, actually.
Look, we have this massive, we are Dutch, so we love a free thing. We have a
free
massive
bread.
bowl of free bread.
We have free
cheese salad, which
fromage de maison.
I don't know. She called it very, and it also looks like very cream cheesy kind of stuff. So I might give it a try.
Free water and free sangria.
Free sangria. Well, anyway, and Tim will get his cheese fondue. It's a little bird. It's a really nice restaurant here, by the way. If you're ever in Leysin, then go to Le Fromagerie. They have other stuff than cheese as well, and you will get your cheese fondue.
Finally. Normally, everywhere you can only buy it for 2 people at the least. But here they made an exception because it's not that busy at the moment.
So Tim is lucky.
He doesn't like cheese, so I'm really lucky now.
With my nose like this, because he'll be eating cheese fondue, which is very stinky. But I'll get my food as well. Well, cheers.
Cheers.
Have a nice dinner. Cheers, guys. Okay, tell us what you're doing. What you're doing?
I'm eating Swiss cheese fondue.
For the first time ever.
First time, finally. Yay! Look at the bubbles. There's fire under here. It's a really old set, I think. Smells amazing. I hope it's not too hot.
I think you'll have to blow on it.
Oh, it's not sticky anymore.
You use a lot of pepper on it.
But it's not sticky anymore. It cools down immediately. Oh, that's so good. And it's like it's super hot in here, and then it sticks to the bread, and then cools down, and it sticks to the bread, and it's fine. And then you get some pepper on there as well, and it's amazing.
How's the taste?
I love the taste. I think it's 2 different kinds of cheese. One is like the Swiss Gruyere, which I love, and the other one I don't remember. But I love it so much. I'm so happy. I have potato rusty, which is always potato by the way, with onion gravy and veal sausage. Also good. And I have to say, the cheese fondue is more on Tim's side of the table, so I don't have that smell. So I'm fine. Cheers. Oh, I love this. The sausage is also really nice. So because Tim had his cheese fondue and I had to withstand that whole smell, I decided I was allowed to have a tarte citron lemon cake. And it looks very special. I've never seen a lemon cake like this. And I don't know, I'm just gonna try it. I love everything with lemon. And it's orange. Normally a lemon is not orange.
Here we go. Oh, that's really good. It's like maybe like a meringue foam situation, but very thin, very fluffy, airy, very lemony, which I love. It's not that sweet, which is perfect. And it's on a very thin crust. Very special. I didn't know what to expect, but I'm happy I chose this. And the funny thing is about this restaurant, upstairs they have a little museum about the whole building and the village and the products that they make here and that they used to make here. And you can even have a look outside of the balcony. And I have to say, I am happy that we sat outside because inside it is a beautiful restaurant, but it does have that cheesy smell that I don't like that much.
So we are in Montreux today, as you can see from the footage probably, with the gorgeous lake over here. And we have our first pizza. Can I continue? There was a steamboat. And this is our first pizza during this vacation. Yummy. We found this! Oh, they put it on a table. It's our favorite pizza oil we normally get from France. But we couldn't find it the last time we were in France. And they just put it on a table, so apparently you can also buy it in Switzerland. So we will be on the lookout for this.
So I found this amazing lemon cake in the supermarket, which we are having at our balcony right now, and we're both working on our content, right? You're working on your diary, travel diary, I'm working on my photos. And we have Diesel, but I'm not in the picture. Oh, sorry. And this is beer with framboise, which is raspberry, and I love that. It takes me back to when I did my internship in France. We used to drink beer with raspberry syrup in it, and it was amazing. So if you're watching this,
amazing.
Oh, sorry. If you are watching this, Lucy, then you will know what I'm talking about. Anyway, but look at the view. You can't see the view. Let me see. Yeah, look, that is the view. That's nice, right?